Hi everyone. So let's look at the doubts shared by one of the students and see how we can solve truth teller and liar based reasoning problems. Okay. So this is the problem that we had been given. Tweedledum and Tweedledee are two people who lie on some days. So Tweedledum lies on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that we've put over here already. We put Tweedledum lies on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tweedledee lies on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rest all the days they'll speak the truth. What I've also done is I've kept a Sunday here and I've kept a Sunday here. This helps us maintain continuity. So if someone says what you do on the day after Saturday, so I can check that over here. Someone if I have to check what I do on the day after Sunday, so that I'll check from here. So this ensures that I maintain the continuity of the week. Okay, Sunday के बाद तो that I'll go over here. Saturday के बाद Sunday देखना है तो that I can check from here. Okay. So this is how you'll see. Now how do we approach these questions? You'll have to be very good at making cases. First of all, before we go forward, let us analyze the table. You know what I see over here is that on Sunday both these people speak the truth. Okay, only on Sunday both the people speak the truth. Rest any other day, if one person speaks false, the other person is speaking the truth. False, truth, false, truth, truth, false. ठीक है, truth, false, truth and false. So what I realize is that maybe both the people could speak the truth, but there's no day where both of them are speaking the false. If one of them speaks a false statement, the other one has to be true. False है तो true होना ही चाहिए. False है तो ये true है. ये false है तो ये true है. ये false है तो ये true है. ये false है तो ये true है. But ulta we cannot say. We cannot say if one person is speaking the truth, the other one has to be speaking the false, because Sunday को both of them could be speaking the truth. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, so you have to identify which day it is and who is who. Okay, so यहाँ पे there is I will lie tomorrow is one statement, and the second statement is I lied yesterday and I will lie tomorrow. Okay, I'll first show you the if I would have done, if I would have considered this statement first, what cases I would have made. I would have made case 1, case 2. Case 1 में I would have said this statement is true. Case 2 में I would have said this statement is false. Okay. Now case 2 में अगर ये वाला statement false है, what we know कि if one of them speaks the false, the other one has to speak the truth. So let us check out this case, second case first. Is the second statement, can the second statement be true? Now how do we check that? What is said in the second statement? I lied yesterday and I will lie tomorrow. If the second statement is true, the person is saying that I lied yesterday, मतलब which previous day was a false, and I will lie tomorrow as well. इसका मतलब next day is also a false. Now check for any one of them, either for Tweedledum or for Tweedledee, is it possible to have a pattern like F, T, F? Can they speak a false statement, then a true statement, and then a false statement? F, T, F, you'll see is not possible because they speak false for 3 continuous days and then truth for the next 4 days. Likewise, Tweedledum also truth for 4 continuous days and lie for 3 consecutive days. So you'll see, you'll not find a pattern of FTF anywhere. So that is why the second case is definitely not at all possible, because you will not be able to get this case at all. So इसका मतलब now this becomes definite that second statement is not true. इसका मतलब the second statement is false. Okay, and the first statement is actually true. Okay, so now I'll just write it over here. The first statement, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Okay, now statement 1, what does statement 1 say? Statement 1 says I will lie tomorrow, and this person is speaking the truth. So what will he do on the next day? He'll speak a false statement. Okay, now how many cases, who could this be? So truth के बाद false कहाँ possible है? If it is Tweedledum, it could be Sunday and a Monday, or if it is Tweedledee, it could be Wednesday को truth and Thursday को false. So it could be this, basically today could be a Wednesday and this person could be a Tweedledee. Okay, now how do we identify which one is the correct case out of these two? For that, if the second, if tomorrow is, if the person 1 is speaking a false tomorrow, this is today and this is tomorrow. So if this person is speaking false tomorrow, what will the second person speak? We know whenever one person speaks false, the other person has to speak truth, right? So person 1 would speak true today and false tomorrow. Person 2 will speak false today and true tomorrow. Now you also have to check the second person. So यहाँ पे the second person is speaking truth and truth, whereas we wanted the second person to speak false and truth. So this case becomes wrong and this case becomes the correct case, because first person is speaking true and false, second person is speaking false and true. Even if you wouldn't have checked this, out of these two possible cases, the second person had to speak false today, na? Agar today Sunday hai, both of them speak the truth. That way also this would have been cancelled out, and your answer would have been that today is, this is today is Wednesday, and person speaking truth today is Tweedledee. So person 1 is Tweedledee and the person 2 is Tweedledum. Alright, so this is how you approach these truth teller and liar based questions. You have to eliminate cases by making assumptions and checking if those assumptions are actually possible or not. If the assumption is not possible based on the given data, you say that assumption is wrong and you basically eliminate that case. Alright, so today's day is Wednesday. Basically the day today is Wednesday and person A is Tweedledee, person B is Tweedledum. Alright, so let's move on to the next question and let's see how you can apply the same concept over there. Okay, person A says today is not Sunday, person B says today is not Monday. Okay, again, case 1, this statement is true. So if this statement is true, today is not a Sunday, so what do we realize? Okay, today is actually not a Sunday. If today is not a Sunday, Sunday is the only day when both of them speak the truth. If today is not a Sunday and this statement is true, the other person has to speak false, because only on a Sunday do they both speak truth. So today is not a Sunday, this is case 1, and this first statement is true. The other case that you'll have to assume would be, let us say today is a Sunday. If today is a Sunday, the first statement, today is not Sunday, becomes false. But hey, hold on. Is it possible to speak false on a Sunday? Not at all, because Sunday pe both these people only speak the truth. So this case is definitely not possible. And the only possible case is that today is not a Sunday. If today is not a Sunday, the second person who says today is not a Monday is lying. Today is not a Monday is a false statement. It means today is actually a Monday. Okay, now Monday को today is Monday and Monday को झूठ कौन बोलता है? Monday को झूठ बोलता है Tweedledum. So this person is Tweedledum and Monday को सच कौन बोलता है? Tweedledee. So this person is Tweedledee. Alright, so this is basically as simple as this. Just assume some cases, eliminate the impossible cases, and whichever case remains, uske basis pe you answer the question. Okay, so next question. Let us see how you apply this again. Okay, again similar. Today is Sunday, today is Tuesday. Let us say case 1, today is actually a Sunday, and case 2, today is not a Sunday. I would request you to pause the video and try doing it how we did it in the last question. Alright, so I hope you all have paused the video and tried to solve the question. Now this is how I would approach it. Case 1, today is a Sunday, so this statement actually becomes true. Case 2, today is not a Sunday, so this statement is false. Now if today is a Sunday and this statement is true, the other person also speaks the truth on a Sunday, so this person ka statement should also be true. But this person says today is Tuesday, तो इसके हिसाब से तो today should be Tuesday, and we had assumed that this case is today to be a Sunday. These are contradictory statements, so that's why this case is not possible. Let us check the second case then. First person बोलता है today is a Sunday, and we've assumed this in this case that this statement is false. If one of the person speaks false, the other person has to speak a truth. If other person speaks the truth, that is today is a Tuesday. today is a Tuesday. ठीक है, so today is not a Sunday, and which day is it? According to the second statement we're getting, today is a Tuesday. No contradictions, no violations of any condition, so the second case is the right case. And who is who? So Tuesday है ना आज, the day is Tuesday, and who speaks truth on the Tuesday? On a Tuesday, Tweedledee speaks the truth. So this person is Tweedledee. And who lies on a Tuesday? Tuesday को कौन झूठ बोलता है? Tweedledum. So this person is Tweedledum. Alright. So I hope you were able to get to this case and get the answer. Chalo, then again another statement, the last case. Okay. Today is a Monday or a Wednesday. Today is a Monday or a Sunday. Now each statement has or से connected statement, so it becomes a basically a compound statement. Or may remember, ठीक है, suppose if I say today is a Monday or Wednesday, ठीक है, if it is a Monday, this statement is valid, or you will say this statement is true. If it is a Wednesday, this statement is still true, ठीक है, but any other day पे this statement is false. Okay, so the point is, or may, even if one of the parts is true, the statement remains true. All right, or may, you just have to check whether one of the parts is true or not. Okay, so again, case 1, let us say the first statement is actually true. Okay, case 2, थोड़ा दूर बनाते हैं, the first statement would be false. Now what does this mean that one of the statements is in this is true? Now case 1 में अगर एक true है, ठीक है, तो या तो मंडे होगा या तो वेडनेसडे होगा. मंडे और वेडनेसडे को दोनों जन ट्रूथ तो नहीं बोलते ना. बोथ ऑफ देम कैन नॉट स्पीक ट्रूथ ऑन अ मंडे और अ वेडनेसडे, सॉरी, राइट. और मंडे और वेडनेसडे को बोथ ऑफ देम कैन नॉट स्पीक ट्रू. सो इफ वन पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ, द अदर पर्सन हैज टू स्पीक अ false. And or statement becomes a false only when both the statements are false. इसका मतलब ये केस में it is neither a Monday nor a Sunday. Okay, but यहाँ पे one of these statements has to be true, and from here we just realize that it is not a Monday. तो ये Monday तो नहीं है, right? Sorry, I'll not mark it over here, I'll mark it here. I'll say Monday तो नहीं है ना, but इनमें से एक statement तो सच होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे मंडे और वेडनेसडे की बात हुई है, तो मतलब वेडनेसडे वाला केस होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इफ इट इज अ वेडनेसडे, द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वुड बी ट्रू एंड द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट वुड बी false. So this case can be possible if it is a Wednesday. So for case 1 to be true, it would be a Wednesday, and if it is a Wednesday, Wednesday को सच कौन बोलता है? Wednesday को सच बोलता है Tweedledee. So the first person would be Tweedledee, and the second person who's lying, F वाला person, would be Tweedledum. Tweedledum. This is for case 1. Okay. Now let us check if case 2 is possible or not. Case 2 says the first person is speaking a false statement. When first person is false, इसका मतलब उसके जो भी पार्ट्स, जो भी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं वो दोनों गलत हैं. इसका मतलब it is not a Monday, not a Wednesday. And the second person says, now if one of the person is speaking a false, the other person has to speak a truth. We've checked, we know this condition already. So the second person का statement will be true. Okay. Now second person ने क्या बोला था? मंडे और संडे के बारे में कमेंट किया था, बट अपने को यहाँ से पता है कि इट इज़ नॉट अ मंडे बिकॉज हिज स्टेटमेंट वॉज फॉल्स. सो मंडे नहीं है, इसका मतलब इट हैज़ टू बी अ संडे. बट संडे को क्या कंडीशन होता है? संडे को बोथ द पीपल स्पीक द ट्रूथ, है ना. यहाँ पे दोनों जन ट्रूथ बोल रहे हैं क्या? नहीं. तो ऑल्दो बाय सॉल्विंग दिस केस वी आर गेटिंग द डे इज अ संडे, बट इट वायलेट्स द कंडीशन. संडे को बोथ ऑफ देम शुड हैव बीन ट्रूथ. यहाँ पे वन इज ट्रूथ, द अदर वन इज false. इसका मतलब this case is actually violating the condition given, and hence it's not possible. So the first case is the correct one, and hence the day is Wednesday, and the first person is Tweedledee and the second person is Tweedledum. All right. So yes, this is how you approach the questions in truth teller and liar based questions. I hope you've got a better idea and understanding of how you approach the questions, and yes, I hope you'll be able to, apply this thing in the other questions based on truth teller and liar. So all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.